Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your Google Slides stand out, or if you're designing a presentation for mobile devices, changing the slide orientation might be just what you need. Today, I'll show you how to switch Google Slides from the default horizontal layout to vertical, and how to switch it back if you need it. First, let's talk about standard portrait page sizes. When you're switching to a vertical orientation, it's helpful to have an idea of what size you want your slides to be. Unlike PowerPoint, Google Slides doesn't give you a preset list of portrait sizes, but here are some common dimensions that you can use. Letter or standard is 8.5 by 11 inches. Legal is 8.5 by 14. Tabloid or ledger is 11 by 17 inches. You can also go with the A-series paper sizes. For example, A3 is 11.69 by 16.54 inches. A4 is 8.26 by 11.69, and A5, 5.83 by 8.26 inches. Now, let's get into how to make Google Slides vertical. Here's how you can change the orientation for your entire presentation. Unfortunately, this feature is only available in the web version of Google Slides, not the mobile app. First, visit Google Slides in your browser and open your presentation. Click on File in the top menu and select Page Setup. In the drop-down menu, choose Custom. Enter the dimensions you want for your slide size. You can choose inches, centimeters, points, or pixels, whichever works best for you. Once you've entered your size, hit Apply. Your slides will now display vertically. Keep in mind, if you already have content on your slides, you might need to rearrange it to fit your new layout. If you decide you want to go back to the horizontal layout, here's how to do that. Head back to File, Page Setup in the top menu. In the drop-down box, select one of the standard horizontal sizes or use the custom option to input your own horizontal dimensions. Then, click Apply. Just like before, you may need to adjust your content to fit the new layout. So, which view is right for you? Whether you're creating a newsletter, poster, infographic, or something for mobile devices, changing the orientation of your Google Slides can help you design the perfect presentation. And now you know how to switch between vertical and horizontal views. See you next time.